converted our porch into a temporary greenhouse for under 35 bucks, and we did it in 30 minutes. So that's pretty cool. It's time to bring my plants from inside out here so the cats can stop eating it. So we're having a problem with the cats getting in our vegetable plants under our plant lights inside. We decided to build a greenhouse, and it only took us 30 minutes and about $35 to build this temporary greenhouse on our front porch. Let's go inside and take a look. It's not bad, but this greenhouse will do temporarily until we get a real one. Wow, it's already like nice and warm in here. Okay, we got lots of stuff growing here. We got some asparagus. Here's a little kiwi vine I propagated. Here's some blueberries. Some of them are not doing good because the cat stepped on it. Bad cat. And we got some onions going. We got heck of a lot of tomatoes here. Probably gonna share with the neighbors. Goji berries, artichokes. What is this here? Oh, it's my flower tray. We got lupines, some dianthus, I think bellflowers. Got our celery tray. I started a little bit late, but maybe we'll get a harvest. Here's my peppers. Got a lot of different peppers here. Poblanos, sweet banana, sweet orange, jalapeno. And then a few brassicas. I'm probably going to start some more soon. And right here is, oh, my strawberry tray that I started from seeds. They are yellow alpine and a few red alpines, some random little peppers. What do I got here? Balloon flower. What's in this one? Columbine. And then I have here, hey, get off there, little pest. We don't want you. We got some kiwi that the cats started munching on, so hopefully it regrows back. My goji berry, my fig tree, which we'll plant out. And I have a few bare root crops. Thank you, Mariola, for helping me buy these. Got some raspberries, some blueberries, a few duds that I have to return, and my potatoes that I chitted. And some grapes that really need to go in the ground, so I'll probably start planting those soon. I hope you guys liked the video. Now we have more room to grow things under here. We're supposed to have really nice weather the next 3 days, so I think I'm going to be starting some quick crops. So like your lettuces, your beets, whatever else I have a huge seed jar inside. I'll probably share a video on that.